Hey, let me quickly explain how we can charge Google Pixel 10 Pro. So we've got actually two methods, the wireless and the wired one. So if you want to charge this phone wired, you will have to purchase the power adapter, or you can connect the cable that comes in the box to your PC or console, TV, any other device with power output, and basically plug it in. This is the cable that is connected into my phone, into my PC. And when I'm gonna plug it in, as you can see, it start charging. And if you want to use some non-original cables, then yes, for sure you can do this. As you can see, I'm using this one from Rainstone company. And if you want to use power adapter, then this smartphone support up to 30 watts fast charging, but you can use much more powerful chargers. Like in my case, I'm using Motorola 125 watts, which is super powerful, but of course it's not gonna improve speed of charging because the phone gonna automatically limit power that comes through your charger into the USB-C port, and it will still charging at 30 watts. If you want to use wireless charging, then you can charge this phone up to 15 watts, and that's pretty much it. So that's everything that you need to know about charging. If you have some questions, leave them in a comment. Thanks for watching.